Why are your PC games dropping frames? Have you ever been in the middle of an intense gaming session and suddenly noticed your game stuttering or lagging? It can be frustrating, right? Let's break down why your PC games might be dropping frames and how to troubleshoot the issue. Frame drops occur when your computer struggles to render and display images quickly enough, leading to visible stuttering. This can happen due to several reasons, primarily related to hardware and software. First, let's talk about hardware bottlenecks. Your central processing unit, also known as the CPU, is responsible for handling game logic and physics. If your CPU is overwhelmed by too many tasks or background processes, it can slow down frame delivery. This is often referred to as a CPU bottleneck. Next up is the graphics processing unit, or GPU. This component is crucial for rendering frames. If your game settings are too demanding for your GPU, it simply cannot keep up, resulting in frame drops. Another factor to consider is your random access memory, or RAM. If your RAM is full or slow, your system may start using slower storage to swap data, which can lead to stutters and dips in frames per second. Storage speed plays a role too. If you are using a traditional hard drive instead of a solid-state drive, you may experience delays in loading game assets, contributing to frame drops. Now, let's look at software and driver issues. Keeping your graphics drivers up to date is essential. Outdated or corrupted drivers can lead to poor performance and frame drops. Don't forget about background programs. Applications running in the background consume valuable CPU and memory resources. Closing these can free up resources for your game, helping to stabilize your frames per second. Sometimes, bugs in the game or recent patches can introduce performance issues. Keeping your game updated is important, but be aware that updates can sometimes cause new problems. Your system settings also matter. If you have in-game graphics settings set too high for your hardware, it can overwhelm your CPU or GPU, causing frame drops. Windows features like full-screen optimization or game recording overlays can interfere with smooth frame delivery. Disabling these features can help improve performance. Thermal throttling is another issue. If your CPU or GPU overheats, the system will reduce their speed to cool down, which lowers performance and can lead to frame drops. Lastly, malware infections or corrupted system files can degrade overall system performance, causing frame drops across all games. To fix frame drops, start by ensuring your PC meets the game's minimum and recommended system requirements. Keep your graphics card and other drivers updated. Close in necessary background applications to free up resources. Adjust your in-game graphics settings to find a balance between quality and performance. Disabling problematic Windows features can also help. Monitor your CPU and GPU temperatures and improve cooling if necessary. Finally, scan for malware and repair any corrupted system files. If you still experience issues, consider upgrading hardware components, like moving from a traditional hard drive to a solid-state drive or increasing your RAM. By understanding these causes and applying targeted fixes, you can maintain stable frames per second and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.